Hi, my name is Mandeep. In this question we'll use elimination process to find the answer. Now if we compare the first few words, it says a new satellite called Polar, scientists are getting sweeping over the poles. Now in this case the entire sentence is underlined and the sentence is starting with different things. So mostly in such cases we have modifier subject verb error. Okay, second thing, if you see the placement of word polar, so in option B it says a satellite called Polar, so called Polar is modifying a new satellite. Now if I look at option A, in this modifier called Polar is not placed next to satellite, and the rule of modifier is simple, that modifier must be placed next to the noun it is modifying. So if you just first look at this error, if you look at the placement of word Polar, so in A, Polar is not touching the noun a new satellite, so that is wrong. In B it is fine. In C it says called Polar, again it is not touching a new satellite, that is wrong. A new satellite called Polar, this is fine. A new satellite called Polar, this is fine. Now we're left with three choices. So in all the three choices we'll just look at the structure, that means we'll look at the modifier, subject and verb. Now in option B it says a new satellite called Polar, that is, now this is a modifier, so if there's a comma that means a modifier begins, so there has to be a second comma, and after second comma we need to have a verb. But in option B verb is missing after second comma, so that is wrong. In D it says sweeping over the poles at altitudes of up to 32,000 miles, this is a modifier. A new satellite, so we are talking about something that sweep over the poles of altitude of up to 32,000 miles. A satellite can do that. But if I look at option E, it says sweeping over the poles at altitudes of up to 32 miles, scientists best yet look yet. So this cannot modify sweeping over the poles. So here modifier is not modifying the right noun. So that is wrong in option E. Hence D is the correct answer. Thank you.